Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your Acorns account. Getting started with Acorns is simple, and funding your account is the first step towards growing your investments. We'll cover the main ways to contribute, ensuring you understand each option. Linking your bank account securely is crucial, and I'll guide you through that process so you can begin investing with confidence and ease. Once your account is linked, you have two main ways to add funds. You can make a one-time deposit whenever you wish, perhaps for a larger sum, or, for steady growth, set up recurring deposits. You can choose to invest daily, weekly, or monthly, even as little as $5 at a time. This flexibility helps you build your portfolio consistently over time. Acorns also offers unique ways to invest passively. With roundups, your everyday purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the spare change is invested once it reaches $5. Additionally, found money allows you to earn bonus investments when you shop with participating brands. These small, consistent contributions can really add up, helping your money grow without you even noticing. Managing your contributions is straightforward. You can easily adjust the amount or frequency of your recurring deposits, or even pause them if needed, directly within the Acorns app. It's important to regularly review your investment history to see how your money is growing. Acorns provides you with the flexibility to adapt your investment strategy as your financial situation evolves, ensuring your goals are always within reach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.